Folks, welcome to another Tavern Buyback. These are those unscripted answers to community comments. So, we'll dive right into it. RJ Barnett. I love these short running the game tips, but AI is literally going to destroy people's lives. If there's any way we can not have such cheap thumbnails, the slop looks bad anyway, but the cost is enormous. I have multiple data centers coming to my town. It's bad. Can your community send you art to use or something? Well, um, the artwork you see behind me on the screen right now, that's Erik Quigley. I commissioned him over a decade ago. Craig Brassell's art is often featured on the Wednesday Night Talking Crit. I've got other art, but when it comes to the daily videos, they're daily. It's often impossible for me to acquire art other than using resources like AI. Now, I do have an aesthetic I like to keep. The aesthetic is that classic TSR black and white with a pop of color, preferred. And if you do send an art, there's an email address on the screen, Tenkar YT mail, Tenkar YouTube mail, at gmail.com. If you send art, you're giving me permission to show it on this channel. I'll give you full credit. But I would love it if the community sent me art and I didn't have to use AI thumbnails. More power. But remember, I do a video a day, so it's probably going to require a lot of the community to be donating art. And it's a donation. There's no money in the budget. But yes, I'd be happy to have the community. I'd be happy to showcase artists. I know a lot of artists in this community that do some amazing work. Amazing work. James Shields, he did the cover for the as yet probably never to be released Swords and Wizardry Continua Light, then Continua Light. James did a great. I own the original. I own the rights to that. I love art, and I love original art. Just the pacing of the channel, which is a video a day, doesn't allow me. I have no artistic talent, folks. I can write, I can blab, but I cannot. I cannot draw a stick figure. So if you want to become part of the process, if you want to get your art showcased as a thumbnail, and probably on screen during the video, email me at tenkarytmail@gmail.com. Yeah, you'll be helping this channel out. I'd be happy to make that pivot if folks can make it happen. So there's your Tavern Buyback. RJ, thank you so much actually for your comment. It's made me think, and this might be a way to address it. Folks, we are seven backers, 7 minions, 7 members away from 200. So your support's been amazing. I really do appreciate it. Live stream tonight, this Thursday. We're going to be doing a memorial live stream for Tim Cask. So it'll be on this channel, on Wizard Tower Games channel. It'll be simulcast. Hope to see you there. God bless. Catch you later.